Welcome back to Live Now from Fox. I'm Jeanne Francine. We are following some breaking news headlines I want to share with you. This coming in from the Associated Press. They say Rwanda-backed rebels have occupied a second major city in mineral-rich eastern Congo. The government reporting this to AP as M23 rebels confirmed they were in the city to restore order after it was abandoned by Congolese forces. The Congo River Alliance, a coalition of rebel groups that includes the M23, said in a statement that its fighters, quote, decided to assist the population in addressing its security challenges under the old regime in the city of 1.3 million people. They go on to say our forces have been working to restore the security for the people and their property, much to the satisfaction of the entire population, end quote. We know the rebels saw little resistance from government forces against the unprecedented expansion of their reach after years of fighting. Congo's government vowing to restore order in the area, but there was no sign of soldiers. Many were seen fleeing on Saturday and Sunday alongside thousands of civilians. To provide some context, the M23, they are the most prominent of more than 100 armed groups vying for control of Eastern Congo's trillions of dollars in mineral wealth that's critical for much of the world's technology. The rebels are supported by about 4,000 troops from neighboring Rwanda, this coming from United Nations experts. The fighting has displaced more than 6 million people in the region, creating the world's largest humanitarian crisis. We are learning at this hour, the Congo's communications ministry, they say on social media, they have acknowledged that this area has been occupied and say the national government is doing everything possible to restore order and territorial integrity. Unlike in 2012, when the M23 briefly seized Goma and withdrew after intentional pressure, analysts say the rebels this time are eyeing political power. So this just in, as you can see, it is a developing story. Rwanda backs M23 rebels occupying a second major city in Congo's mineral-rich east. As we get more information in, you'll be the first to know right here on Live Now from Fox.